Welcome to the TeepTrak educational series. Today, we are analyzing the gold standard of manufacturing productivity, overall equipment effectiveness, widely known as OEE. In many industrial environments, efficiency is overestimated. The reality is that hidden losses, such as microstops and slow cycles, drain profitability every single hour. Without precise measurement, this waste remains invisible. OEE is calculated by multiplying three critical factors: availability, performance, and quality. Together, these metrics provide a mathematically complete picture of your manufacturing asset's true health. The impact of these metrics is financial. When OEE is low, valuable capacity is lost to downtime and defects. Conversely, even a small percentage increase in OEE can translate into a significant gain in bottom-line profit. To improve, we must identify the culprits. These are often categorized as the 6 big losses, ranging from unplanned equipment breakdowns and long setup times to reduced running speeds and startup rejects. Combating these losses requires precision. Relying on manual paper tracking leads to delayed and often inaccurate data. The solution lies in automated, real-time monitoring that captures every second of production. With accurate, instant data, your floor teams are empowered to act. They can identify root causes immediately and implement targeted improvements, shifting from reactive firefighting to proactive optimization. Ultimately, you cannot improve what you do not measure. Start your journey to operational excellence today with TeepTrak.